name's Bill. I'm sorry my wife couldn't be here. She's out on business, but she and I really were struggling in a seller's market to buy our home last spring. The market's really, really hot, and if it wasn't for Davi and MJ, I don't think it ever would have came to fruition. Essentially, we had to get an offer accepted and close the loan in 14 days, which is a really kind of a miracle to pull off. And we were also really insecure about the whole buying process and financing the loan and getting an inspection and appraisal. Very few contingencies to the deal, all done in a 2-week span. And Davi and MJ sat us down with their partner Alex, who helped us secure the loan. They explained everything to us, made it very, very comfortable. It was a stressful time, but we couldn't have done